Hello and welcome in this special session of Maha Quiz. I have tried to cover as many questions as possible from each chapter of Indian Art and Culture नितिन सिंघानिया. जिन लोगों ने अपनी नितिन सिंघानिया पूरी कंप्लीट कर ली है उनके लिए ये सेशन रिवीजन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बहुत हेल्पफुल रहने वाला है, और जिन्होंने नहीं भी कंप्लीट की है उनके लिए तो है ही. जिसने भी अब तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब एंड लाइक. शेयर आप वीडियो के लास्ट में कर लीजिएगा. अभी कॉन्सेंट्रेट करिए क्विज़ पे. एक पेन पेपर रख के बैठ सकते हैं. अब आपको जो भी क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स आते हों वीडियो को पॉज करके उसका आंसर लिख के फिर से प्ले करके आप चेक कर सकते हैं. लास्ट में पूरा वीडियो कंप्लीट होने के बाद आपको अपनी प्रिपरेशन लेवल ये पता चल जाएगी कि जितने भी क्वेश्चंस हैं उनमें से आपको कितने आते थे, और जितने भी क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स नहीं आते थे उनको भी अच्छे से रिवाइज करना है कि हमें ये वाले अभी तक याद नहीं हुए. आपको कितने क्वेश्चंस आते थे ये कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताइएगा. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग मच टाइम लेट्स स्टार्ट द क्विज. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. Fa-Hien visited India during the period of which ruler? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Chandragupta II Vikramaditya. Question number 2. Name the book of Fa-Hien. Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Record of Buddhistic Kingdoms. Question number 3. Hyun Sang visited India in the reign of which ruler? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Harshvardhan. Question number 4. What is the name of the book of Hyun Sang? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Sai Yu Ki. Question number 5. Who was also known as Herodotus of the Arabs? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Al-Masudi. Question number 6. Who wrote Kitabul Hind? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Al-Biruni. Question number 7. Which book inspired Christopher Columbus? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is the book of Sir Marco Polo. Question number 8. Which Moroccan traveler visited India during the reign of Muhammad bin Tughlaq? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Ibn Battuta. Question number 9. Name the book written by Ibn Battuta. Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Rihla. Question number 10. Which language was referred by Niccolo de Conti as the Italian of the East? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Telugu. Question number 11. Name the earliest school of medicine known to humans. Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Ayurveda. Question number 12. Who is known as the father of medicine? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Charak. Question number 13. Name the branch of Siddha medicine which deals with traumatology and injuries. Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Varmam. Question number 14. Who was the founder of Chalukya dynasty? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Pulkeshin I. Question number 15. Who wrote Ain-e Akbari? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Abul Fazl. Question number 16. Who issued Ilahi coins? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Akbar. Question number 17. Where is the headquarter of National Academy of Art or Lalit Kala Academy? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Delhi. Question number 18. When was National Academy of Letters or the Sahitya Academy established? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is 1954. Question number 19. When was Indira Gandhi National Center for the Arts started? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is 1985. Question number 20. Which article talks about protection of interests of minorities? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Article 29. Question number 21. Which award is also called Golden Lotus Award? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is National Film Award. Question number 22. Which award is India's highest award in cinema? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Dada Saheb Phalke Award. Question number 23. Which Muslim festival marks the beginning of the sacred period of Hajj? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Eid-ul-Zuha. Question number 24. Ganesh Chaturthi falls in which month as per Saka Samvat? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Bhadra. Question number 25. Name the largest religious gathering in the world. Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Kumbh Mela. Question number 26. Where is Ambu-Bachi Mela held? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Kamakhya Temple. Question number 27. Which festival is also known as Phool Walon Ki Sair? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Sair-e-Gul Faroshan. Question number 28. Under the lunar calendar, one Muhurat comprises of how many minutes? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is 48 minutes. Question number 29. Lunar year falls short of solar year by how many days? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is 11 days. Question number 30. Which branch of mathematics was called Bij Ganit during ancient times? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is algebra. Question number 31. Who wrote the book Siddhant Shiromani? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Bhaskaracharya. Question number 32. What is the other name of Khagol Shastra? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is astronomy. Question number 33. Which was the first Indian film to be nominated for Oscar in Best Foreign Language category? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Mother India. Question number 34. Name the first Indian woman who produced and directed her own film. Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Fatima Begum. Question number 35. Name the author of Nyay Sutra. Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Gautam. Question number 36. Which text preaches Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Vedas. Question number 37. Samved is written in which language? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Sanskrit. Question number 38. Which Ved focuses on the treatment of various ailments? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Atharvaved. Question number 39. Who is chief deity under Rig Veda? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Indra. Question number 40. Name the poet who composed Diwan in Urdu. Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Mirza Ghalib. Question number 41. Who wrote Tarikh-e-Firoz Shahi? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Ziauddin Barani. Question number 42. Who was known as the father of Kannada? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Pampa. Question number 43. Which period is known as the golden age of Telugu literature? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Vijayanagar period. Question number 44. Who wrote the book Kama Sutra? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Vatsyayan. Question number 45. Which period mainly saw the use of red color? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Mesolithic period. Question number 46. In which state is Bhimbetka rock paintings located? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Madhya Pradesh. Question number 47. Ajanta caves consists of a set of how many caves? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is 29 caves. Question number 48. Which king offered his own flesh to save the pigeon? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is King Shibi. Question number 49. Which cave of Bagh cave is known as Rang Mahal? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is cave number 4. Question number 50. What is the central element of the paintings in Chitrana Vasal? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is a pond with lotuses. Question number 51. Where is Ravan Chaya rock shelter located? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is in the Koinjhar district of Odisha. Question number 52. Where is Lepakshi temple paintings located? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is in the Anantapur district of Andhra Pradesh. Question number 53. What is the meaning of the word miniature? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is red lead paint. Question number 54. Who created the manuscript Tuti Nama, Tales of Parrot? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Abdus Samad and Mir Sayyid Ali. Question number 55. What was the name of Akbar's formal artistic studio? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Tasveer Khana. Question number 56. The Mughal paintings reached its zenith in the period of which ruler? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Jahangir. Question number 57. With context to Mewar painting, name the extraordinary painter of the 17th century. Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Sahib Deen. Question number 58. What is the other name of Ambir School? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Dhundar. Question number 59. From where did Tanjore and Mysore paintings originated? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Vijayanagar paintings. Question number 60. What is the name of medieval period card game? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Ganjifa. Question number 61. Who is known as the father of modern Indian art? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Raja Ravi Verma. Question number 62. Name the 22 languages listed under the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution. Comment your answer. Now this answer will take a little bit time, and the answer is Assamese, Hindi, Malayalam, Punjabi, Telugu, Bengali, Kannada, Marathi, Sanskrit, Urdu, Gujarati, Kashmiri, Odia, Tamil, Sindhi, Konkani, Manipuri, Nepali, Bodo, Maithili, Dogri and Santhali. Question number 63. The oldest text of Digamra Jain's Shat Khand Gam is written in which language? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Shaur Seni. Question number 64. Which art form depicts mythological battle between goddess Kali and demon Darika? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Mudiyettu. Question number 65. Who is the founder of Indian Circus? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Professor Vishnu Pant Chhatre. Question number 66. Which state is known as Cradle of Indian Circus? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Kerala. Kerala is known as Cradle of Indian Circus. Question number 67. Name the traditional rod puppet of Bihar. Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Yampuri. Yampuri is the traditional rod puppet of Bihar. Question number 68. Name the traditional string puppets of Rajasthan. Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Kathputli. Question number 69. Which dance is often referred to as the fire dance? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Bharatnatyam. Bharatnatyam is often referred to as the fire dance. Question number 70. Name the oldest writing system used in the Indian subcontinent. Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Brahmi. Question number 71. Modi script was used to write which language? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Marathi language. Question number 72. Name the 4 sects under Hinduism. Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Vaishnavism, Shaivism, Shaktism, Smartism. Question number 73. Name the founder of Ahmadiyya movement. Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Mirza Ghulam Ahmad. Question number 74. Name the founder of Farezi movement. Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Haji Shariatullah. Question number 75. Name the largest Jewish community in India? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Bani Israels. Question number 76. Name the 4 major schools developed under Buddhism. Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Hinayana Buddhism, Mahayana Buddhism, Theravada Buddhism and Vajrayana Buddhism. Question number 77. Where was Prince Vardhaman born? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Kundalgram in Vaishali. Question number 78. Jains need to follow 5 constraints in life. Name them. Take your time. And the correct answer is Ahimsa, that is non-violence, Satya, that is truthfulness, Asteya, that is not stealing, Aparigraha, that is non-acquisition, Brahmacharya, that is chaste living. Question number 79. Name the 2 major subsects of Digambara school. Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Mool Sangh and Bispanthi, Terapanthi and Tarapanthi. Question number 80. Who wrote the book Uttar Ramcharitam? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Bhav Bhuti. Question number 81. Who wrote the book Nagnanda? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Harshvardhan. Question number 82. Hindu and Buddhist caves were constructed by which dynasty? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Rashtrakuta dynasty. Question number 83. Jain caves were constructed by which dynasty? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Yadav dynasty. Question number 84. Which cave of Ellora caves is dedicated to Lord Shiva? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is cave number 16, that is Kailash temple. Question number 85. The edicts of Ashoka are a collection of how many inscriptions? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is 33 inscriptions. Question number 86. What is Sanctum Sanctorum also known as? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Garbh Griha. Question number 87. What is the name given to high entrance gateway in Dravidian style of temple architecture? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Gopuram. Question number 88. Where is Odantapuri located? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Bihar. It's located in Bihar. Question number 89. Trimbakeshwar temple is dedicated to which god? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Lord Shiva. Question number 90. What is the other name of Venkateshwara temple? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Temple of 7 Hills. Question number 91. Where is Navgarh temple located? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Chitrasal Hill in Guwahati, Assam. Question number 92. Padmanabha Swami temple is dedicated to which god? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Lord Vishnu. Question number 93. Where is Dakshineshwar temple located? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Kolkata, West Bengal. Question number 94. Temple of 9 major celestial bodies is a special feature of which temple? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Navgarh temple. Question number 95. Where is Virupaksh temple located? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Hampi, Karnataka. Question number 96. Which empire is often hailed as the golden age of India? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Gupta Empire. Question number 97. Name the second largest mosque in Kashmir Valley. Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Ali Masjid, Srinagar. Question number 98. Atash Behram involves gathering of how many types of fire? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is 16 types. Question number 99. Who is known as the architect of the poor? Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Laurie Baker. Question number 100. Name the painter who created Bani Thani painting. Comment your answer. And the correct answer is Nihal Chand. Nihal Chand created Bani Thani. Thanks for watching. Keep studying, keep learning.